Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a cake and it's super delicious, and I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I did. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need some lemon juice. You'll only need 100 milliliters of juice. Then in a big bowl add 400 milliliters of yogurt. Then add 380 grams of sweet milk or caramel and mix it very well. Then add the juice. In a baking pan or the form that you plan to put the cake into, add plastic wrap. Then add some of the cream at the bottom. Add the first layer of cookies. I'm using chocolate cookies. Then you can add another layer and repeat the layers. I got 5 layers from this. Then close it again with saran wrap and add it or leave it into the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Take out the plastic and flip it. Be careful to take out the plastic. To decorate it, you can use small pieces of the cookie. And some lemon zest. And this is the result. You can plate it this way and it looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.